Now, moving on to velocity graphs and equations for simple harmonic motion. So, velocity is basically the rate of change of displacement, and so the gradient of the displacement time graphs gives us the velocity at any point in time. And if we write its formula, it will be given as v is equals to dx divided by dt, where dx is the change in displacement divided by the change in time. तो अगर अब हमने इक्वेशन ऑफ वेलोसिटी निकालनी है, वी कैन सिंपली डिफरेंशिएट द इक्वेशन ऑफ डिस्टेंस to gain the equation of velocity. And by doing this, we'll get the equation where v is equals to wx naught cos wt plus p. In this case, again, we have considered the motion of the object from the position of maximum displacement, and at maximum displacement, object velocity is always zero, and it can also be seen in the graph on the left. इसलिए जो हमारा velocity time graph है, it is defined by a phase shifted cosine curve. And this graph corresponds to the displacement time curve which is drawn above, the velocity time graph. So now as you all know कि जो sine और cosine function होता है उनकी maximum value can only be 1. Hence the maximum value of the velocity is v is equal to wx naught.